Pressure washer oil maintenance log. This is just for each time we change oil in the pressure washers. We put down the date. Each machine has a name. You put down the hours off the hour odometer, whatever the hours are at the oil change, who performed the oil change, and then we have two levels to check: the engine oil. So you need to, when you fill the engine back up with oil, you need to start it, then turn it off, and then pull the dipstick. And then also there's a sight window on the pump oil. I want to know that both those levels are checked, and I'll know who checked it. So you put yes, you just write yes. So this should be yes every time. We're going to change every 100 hours both the engine oil and the pump oil, and including the oil filter. All those get changed at the same time. And how we're going to track this is every Friday morning, the lead tech, while he's doing his truck inventory, he's going to have a sheet of paper. He's going to write down the hours on each machine. He'll write down the name of the machine and what the hours are. And then he'll come over to this log. He'll find the last oil change for that particular machine. And if the hours now are close to or over 100 hours past the last oil change, then he'll note that we have to change the oil in that particular machine. And there's a big whiteboard right there next to this hanging on the wall. So he'll just write down on the whiteboard, Big Bertha needs an oil change. And then we'll know at any spare moment we get, or if we have a little extra time on Friday morning, or if we get back to the shop a little early one day that week, that we need to change the oil in that machine. And then again, we'll date, name of that machine, what the hours are at that time, performed by, yes, we check the levels. So every 100 hours, engine oil, oil filter, and pump oil. We'll have all these in stock. So we'll make sure we get everything changed, everything running tip top, keep up with maintenance. So that's your pressure washer oil maintenance log.